Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, they are almost gone. The record thin frames of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra were shown in the photo. It is expected that the new line of Samsung flagships will be presented in mid-January. Samsung is preparation for the upcoming presentation of the new flagship smartphone Galaxy S24 Ultra model. The novelty promises to be close to the design standard among Android devices, and if the rumors are true, the smartest smartphone with artificial intelligence in history. Well-known insider ICE Universe has shared a high-quality render of the Galaxy S24 Ultra model, which shows the flagship with a titanium frame in gold color. However, the main change is the super thin bezels of the screen of the smartphone, which are the same on all sides. This confirms Samsung's desire to create a smartphone with the most immersive visual experience, a thin matte texture, and a reduced hole for the selfie camera, slightly shifted down, give the device a special charm. Only the top of the line Ultra model is expected to have a titanium body, while the cheaper Galaxy S24 and the medium Galaxy S24 Plus will feature a regular frame. The official premiere of Samsung's new products is expected in mid-January 2024. If we believe insider data, Samsung is going to implement all the most current trendy chipsets in the Galaxy S24 line. We have already heard about the titanium frame, a record highest memory option, and a special method of staking the battery is also reported. Samsung is also betting big on artificial intelligence AI. This will be the smartest smartphone on the market, surpassing what Google's competitors offer in the new Google Pixel 8 line. Not only that, they promise support for satellite communication, which today is only available in iPhones and several Huawei phones. The new Galaxy S24 Ultra will stick with a 6.8 inches OLED display, but there will be major upgrades under the hood. First, tech insider ICE Universe says that the new Galaxy S24 Ultra model will reach a peak brightness of up to 2500 nits. The new Galaxy S24 Ultra will also get a refresh rate up to 144 Hz. This will be an awesome upgrade for the high-resolution game lovers. Previously, a list of Samsung smartphones that will receive Android 14 operating system by the end of 2023 was published. Owners of both budget and flagship models will be able to update. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.